The answer to everything, of course, is more credit cards. What are some of the Chase credit cards that offer Instacart and DoorDash credits?
Chase Sapphire Reserve offers two $10 DoorDash credits at convenience stores every month. Chase Sapphire Preferred offers one $10 DoorDash credit every month for convenience stores.
So that's the Wawa, Sheetz, 7-Eleven stores.
The trick for this is to find a convenience store that offers pickup. In my area, that both Wawa and Sheetz allow for pickup. And I simply go in and I'll put in $10 worth of groceries into my DoorDash cart at Wawa or Sheetz and then go ahead and pick it up. You find similar items at both?
These locations are very prominent in northeastern Pennsylvania. I think many listeners will probably have lots of these convenience stores, so it's probably part of a route that they're going on anyway, or it's not much of a detour. In some cases, you can also buy gift cards at these locations.
Yeah, absolutely. I buy things like eggs. Between me and P2, we have four $10 Chase credits towards DoorDash. I can buy 8 dozen eggs for basically
Yeah.
free.
America loves math. How many eggs is that?
72.
Ooh. So that's the Chase Sapphire Reserve. What about some of the other Chase cards?
Chase Sapphire Preferred offers DoorDash credits, and that is $10 once a month at convenience stores. I have 2 players with that card, and I have handed over to those kids of mine, they're really adults now, the ability to get their own $10 a month. You tried it once and got yourself a free veggie sub, and it's a free lunch if you'd rather not buy eggs or butter or milk, which I've done in the past.
Yes, Wawa locations near me, I can get a shorty or a 6-inch veggie sub for about $4.50. So I can put 2 in the same order and it comes to under $10 for a pickup order.
If you only want to go once a month with your Chase Sapphire Reserve credits, you can do it that way. Put in an order, wait till it's actually accepted, then put in a second order, and then head straight to Wawa, and you'll have 2 lunches waiting for you.
Any other Chase cards offering these credits?
No, for the DoorDash credit, it's just the Chase Sapphire Reserve and the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Absolutely love the Instacart credits that appeared in early May, or reappeared, but in slightly different form. The new Instacart credits are now found on every co-branded card, personal and business, which is a bit surprising, right? These are not cards that you typically get these benefits from. Everything from the IHG cards to the Marriott, to the Southwest, to the Hyatt, to the Aeroplan, British Airways, Iberia. On the business cards, but only the business Ink Cash and Ink Unlimited, you can use one of each card. You can end up with, as I have on one account right now, the Ink Cash, the Ink Unlimited, 20 and 20.